Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 16 of my July Watercolor Month. And in today's video we are going to learn how to paint this birthday card. This is beginner friendly floral birthday card which I bet anyone can paint this card. This is quick and easy, it's colorful, it's handmade. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Also, before starting, I would like to mention there is a giveaway running on my channel right now. You will see all the details for the giveaway in my description below. So make sure you enter. One lucky winner will be winning Winsor and Newton Cotman watercolor set of 46 colors. And now grab your paints and let's get started. So for this card, I am going to use a sheet watercolor paper, which is a 200 GSM. This I specifically use when I want to paint watercolor cards. So I use this, and the size is 9x12. This is by Fabriano, and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to take a sheet from this one, and I am going to fold it like this into a card. But before that, let's not I want the back also to be painted, so I'm going to paint it flat, and afterwards I'm going to fold it into half. Like I'm using my watercolor palette from Temu, and then I will also be using a waterproof liner. I'm using this one from Sharpie. And for the brush, I'm going to use this mop brush number 3. And oh yes, of course you need coffee, and look how adorable this cup is. It is heart-shaped cup, and the handle I cannot show it you right now, but this handle has heart shape too, which I am so glad. So grab a nice cup of coffee and let's get started. So make sure whatever colors you use should be watery. They shouldn't be very dark colors, but again, it's your choice. That's how I want the card to be today. So now all we have to do is we are just going to use the brush and loosely paint. No stress, just loosely paint some blobs of the color like this, some circular shapes, some random petals, whatever you can paint, maybe 3 petals, 4 petals, or maybe just 2 petals. It doesn't really matter. We are just throwing these colors on paper right now, and it doesn't have to be a particular way. So just the fun part is when we start outlining them. That is going to be the most fun part. And then I am going to use this color, which is a very nice watery neutral skin brown shade. So basically, if you observe, what I'm painting is just some circular shapes. There is no specific shape that you can see. It's circular shapes, and I'm just leaving some gap in the center. That's all I am doing here. And somewhere I just try to paint the petals. And I'm just going to add some greenery to it. So wherever you feel, you can add some leaf kind of shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect, because this is going to be a very, very loose flower, like floral card. So don't worry to make them. And if the color bleeds, let it bleed, because that looks even more exciting. And I feel that's good enough for this card. Now I'm going to let it dry completely before we use the Sharpie. So I have dried this card and now is the time, the fun part. I'm going to use a Sharpie and then we are just going to doodle all the flowers, and whatever we feel like, we are just going to draw the lines wherever we like. So let's get started. So in this one, all you need to do is you have to let your mind free, and whatever shapes you see forming, you just go ahead and outline that. So here I see this triangular shape here, so I've just outlined that, and then I am going to just outline this. So basically we are doing it very loose, and then in the center I'm just going to draw some circles like that. So that's your flower. So this is what loose floral things look like. You just need to define them, whatever you have painted, and you can overline them so as to get even more prettier effect. And here I'm just going to add some lines, and then I'm just going to add some circles for the stamen. And similarly we are going to do the same with the green part. Outline, and then just like that. We've doodled all the flowers right now, and now I'm just going to fold it into half. So that's your card. You can see it is painted from both the sides, and you can now choose if you want your card to be like this, and you can write a text here, or you want your card like this, so you can find a place, or maybe you can leave a space prior painting all these. I am going to write happy birthday here. And there you have it, a very beautiful and easy, fun to do birthday card. You can use it for any occasion, and this is beginner friendly, anybody can do that. I also made a mini version of this one, and if you want to know how I made this card, you can follow me on my Instagram to know and see the process of painting this particular card. Also, I have a giveaway running right now, and it ends 31st July. One lucky winner will be getting a Winsor and Newton 46 colors set, watercolor set. So it's a great chance to win such a big watercolor set. I bought one for myself as well and one to give away. So check the description box below, and good luck everyone. And if you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to anyone of your friends or family who love to paint. This is a great DIY project, and I will see you guys in my next video with day 17 of July Watercolor Month. Till then, take care. Bye bye.